Everyone, so now we are going to learn how we can load the Windows 11 in the EVE-NG. If you see here, we have the Palo Alto and so many things. Now if you right click and check here, and you can go down and you can see here I have window. If I select window, I have only Windows 7 currently. Now I am going to show you how you can load the Windows 11 and how you can open the Windows 11. How you can use the Windows 11 in the EVE-NG. So already you know this is the WinSCP. I hope you saw already one video where we load the Windows XP. So you need to remember this is the IP address what you have, or let me close and show you from the starting. If you see when you power on the EVE-NG, you will get one IP address. This is the IP you need to type in the WinSCP. WinSCP you need to download and install in the computer. So once you open WinSCP here in this place, you need to put this IP, whatever IP you are getting here. Let me close and show you. I will close and I will show you. This is the IP you are getting, and this is the username and password. If you see, this is the username and this is password. Here also I can log in, root EVE. I log in here, okay. Why I log in here? Because I want to put the permission command whenever I load any, what I can say, if I load any image inside the EVE-NG, or if I delete any image, I need to put the permission command. For that purpose I load this one. Or if you want to take this CLI, you can take the CLI also. You can go to PuTTY with the PuTTY example. In case if you don't want to do anything here, you can do the CLI also. What is the IP we told that time? 192.168.45.120. What is that IP we have here? 128. So we will write 128. SSH is enabled. Click open. You can see you can access the same thing with the PuTTY also. So you can minimize this, and you can write the username and password. Username is root, password is EVE, and now you are inside this one. Here you need to put the permission command once you load the image. Okay, once you load the image, you need to put the permission command. So what I will do, I will open the WinSCP, and when I open the WinSCP, you need to select this SFTP, and this is the IP of the EVE-NG, whatever IP you have, and port number of SSH, and write the username root, password is EVE. You need to remember here username is root and the password is EVE. Okay, after that click login, you will connect it. If you see, this is a option OPT unit lab add-ons QEMU. This location already I shown you in our another video where we discuss how to load the XP. You need to go here, and after that you need to load the image. If you see here, this is a Windows 11. Already everything is pre-configured. If you want to check this one also, you can go there in the EVE-NG naming. If you go EVE-NG naming QEMU, you can go here and you can check here. Example, if you want to load the window, just you can click here and write search here window, and you can see here. If you want to load the window image, you can write WIN dash, and which window you want to load, you can write that number. Example, if you want to load the Windows 11, you can write WIN and 11. This is a folder name. If you want to see, you can go up and see here. This is a folder name, QEMU folder name EVE, and this is a vendor. So no need to worry about vendor. This one is a QEMU folder name, and this is a image name. So if you saw here, what is a folder name? Folder name should be win dash anything you can give. We are using Windows 11, we can give Windows 11. And here you can give this one, okay, HDA image name, or you can give this one. Any one we can use. So already it is pre-configured and it is ready. This is a win dash this 11. We are using 11, and this is a image name. So everything is already ready-made. Just you need to drag and drop. If you need this image, join our Facebook page, like our Facebook page, you can get there, and also you can join our Telegram channel. We are sharing this image there also. From there you can download. After that, just drag here like this and go here and drop here. Okay, just drag and drop and wait for a few minutes. After that, put the permission command. Till it will take time, what we will do, we will go to the EVE-NG site and we will search the permission command. You can go to the Google and type here EVE-NG permission command. You will get here, or click this FAQ questions, and here also press Ctrl F, write permission and check here. This is a EVE-NG permission command. Just copy this and keep ready. You need to paste where? You need to paste here, or already we taken this one with the secure this with the putty, just right click, you have this permission command. Wait, once the image is loaded, you can press this enter. You can press enter. Okay, so let's see our image where it is. Still it is loading. It is taking 3.62 GB transferring. So we will wait. After once it is finished, we can press the permission command. If you see this one, I think 5 GB space is going to take. This image size is 5 GB. If you go here and if you click here in the property, you can see property, it is 5.86, approximately 6 GB space it is going to consume. Okay, it is still loading, still loading, still loading. Once it is finished, what you will need to do, you need to go here and press enter, because already I put the permission command here. Whenever you load any image or whenever you delete anything, you need to put the permission command and wait for some time. After that, you can start working. So see, permission command is executed. This one now you can close. You can just click this and close, or if you want, you can minimize and right click and go to the node and go down and see here where you have the window. Select here and you have Windows 7. Now you can see Windows 11 option is also coming. Click this. This is a Windows 11. And here what icon you need, you can take. Here you have the RAM. You are using 4 GB RAM. If you want to increase, you can increase. Example, I increase to 8 GB. And whatever you have here, keep like this and click save. Okay. And now you can start. If you see window is starting here, you can give any name here, whatever name you want to give, and click here. And click here. See, this is a Windows 11. Windows 11 is loading here. Later we will log in also. Windows 11 is loading here. So like if you want to do any firewall labs also, you can use this one and you can send the traffic. Like here I connected the Windows 7, you can connect the Windows 11 and you can access the internet. Palo Alto policy will stop you or allow you depending upon what we configure. So for that purpose we have this Windows 11 we can use, or Windows 10 we can use. Later in our another video we are going to learn how we can load the Windows 11 Windows 10 also. This is a Windows 11, but you need to remember what is the login detail, because in Windows 7 we have the login detail different. If you see here, this is a Windows 11. Now you need to log in. So you can see here user is the password. You can click here also, like Alt Control Del we are pressing. So directly you can click. You will have user is a password. Sorry, username is a user. I will write the password now. Let me 1 minute. I press some key continuously, so it is giving me like this. Okay. Now what I will do here. Sorry, where we are. I am here, right? Let me see where we are. Okay, we are here. I will click here. Test. Okay, capital T 1 2 3 and see here what I wrote. Let's see here. It is loading. First time it will take some time. You can see here what I wrote, because by default this is the username, so I want to show you. I wrote capital T test and this username and password, and after that we can press enter. Okay, so 1 minute, where it is gone. I press something, anyhow let me click. It will open and now it is loading. I think we press enter also. Yeah, so password is capital T test. You need to remember user is username is user, password is test 1 2 3. Test is capital T. You need to remember that. And you can go here. Okay, open the network connection, and you whatever IP you want to assign, you can assign the IP. Like go here, like we do normally in our computer. Whatever you do the same thing. Change the adapter setting. Go here, click here, and here go what we can say the property. And we are not using IPv6, we are using IPv4. We are not using DHCP, so manually I will configure. Example, I will configure 192.168 like 100.2. Okay, because later we are going to use that in our lab, so just I am putting that one. I can use the same PC there. 100.1 will be the gateway, and here DNS I will use the Google DNS 8.8.8.8, and here I will put 1.1.1.1. Sorry, let me correct where I put wrong, and then press OK, and close. Okay, so I assign the IP, and if you want to check, you can check also. You can go to the command prompt and if you want you can click here and see here what options you are getting here. Look like say, right, whatever we have. This is a window 11. What I will do here, I can write here window, or let me see if I want to see RAM, view RAM. So how much RAM we selected, you remember we selected I think 8 GB RAM. So your device RAM into a problem, need to restart. Okay, no problem, because 20% is completed collecting. So we will have the error, we need to boot this image. Once we boot it will be ready also. I can show you that also. Okay, so I can stop and start, or let me check here. Yeah, it is booting now because I selected the different option. No issue, wait for some time, it will come again and you need to log in and you can do that one. Okay, I open many times here, so I can close and I can use only one. Okay, we can use only one. Okay, and what else? This one is the another one, we will see later. Here it is loading. So I hope you understand, right, how to load and what to do. Okay, here this way we load already. Okay, so if you see we have here, I will write here test capital T 1 2 3 and press enter. This is the window 11. After reboot we have like this, we can put test 1 2 3 and wait for some time, you will be logged to the window 11. This is a window 11. Okay, this is a window 11. Now what you can do, you can whatever labs you have, you can do. You can open the browser. Let me check here IP config. I have IP here. Yeah, just now we assigned the IP, right? So we are getting the IP. You can write get MAC. You will get the MAC address whatever is present. We have only one device, that MAC is coming. And what else we can do here? Here nothing. This is enough. Okay, so if you see whatever the software I have, I can open, I can access the internet, but currently we don't have connected to internet, so it will not work. Okay, so later we will see when we do the firewall. In that one we are going to see. This is my PC. This PC I can click the virtual property. Whatever we have, this is virtual machine. So you can see this is the processor AMD Ryzen, and you have 7 GB RAM. Actually I allocated 8 GB, so it is showing 7.91. And you can see this one I want to show you. This is a Windows 11 Pro. So what we learn in this video, because I want to end this session, I have another class now. So what we can say this is a Windows 11 we install in the EVNG. In this class what we learn how to upload the Windows 11 image in the EVNG. So we will not use XP7, we can use Windows 11 directly. Okay, so let me shut down this computer. Just go here, power off, and click the shutdown. It will shut down. Okay, let me end the session. See you in our next class.